Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to record voiceover using a free tool called Audacity. And the great thing about this tool is not only is it free, but it works on Macs or PCs, and it works the exact same way on both platforms. So no matter what you're using, you're going to be able to follow along. So first off, go to the site that you see here to download it and install it. And then when you do, you're going to see the following screen. So this is how Audacity should look when you open it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is plug in your microphone and make sure Audacity can recognize the mic. So you come up here to Edit and click Preferences. And the first tab is called Devices, so that should already be selected. You don't have to bother with the host or the playback unless you want to change your speakers, but the recording is what you want to make sure is correct. So make sure your mic is selected. I'm using a Yeti stereo mic. I got it from Amazon. It was about $100. And it's a stereo mic. So you definitely want to select stereo if you have a stereo mic so you'll get a better quality. And then you click OK. Now you're ready to record. So I'm going to click the record button right here and start talking. Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. My name is Lisa Irby, and I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover. Now you notice I made a mistake. I did that on purpose because I want to show you how to edit out unwanted audio. As you can see, Audacity has sound waves that represent when you're talking and when you're not talking. And so it's pretty easy to see where my mistake is. So let's click and put the playhead right here and hit play. My name is Lisa. My name is Lisa. So we want to get rid of this. So all you do is click where you want to start deleting and then drag until you want to stop. And obviously you want to leave a little bit of space in there because you don't want it to run together. So now you can play what you're about to delete. So come up here and click play. My name is Lisa. So that sounds good. So I'm just going to click delete on my keyboard. Now let's play it. We're going to bring the playhead back to the beginning and hit play. Hi everybody. My name is Lisa Irby, and I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover. That was okay. There's a little bit too much space in there, so I would probably just clean this up just a little bit. Now, I just selected this and tried to click delete, and I couldn't delete it. Why not? You always have to make sure you're not on pause. If you're on pause, you won't be able to delete it. So I have to click stop. Now I can click delete. So let's try this again. Hi, everybody. My name is Lisa Irby, and I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover. So that sounds better. Trust me, you're going to become very familiar with that step because everybody makes mistakes. And the beauty of Audacity is they make it very easy to correct them. The other thing I want to show you is removing noise. Now, here's a tip. Before you record, you always want to make sure the room is as quiet as possible. Turn off your air conditioning, turn off your fans. If you have a tower underneath the desk, you may hear the humming of the tower in the recording, especially if somebody's listening to your recording via headphones. So if you look closely at the wave, you notice there's some little dots here when I'm not talking. That's background noise. So I want to get rid of that. And that's probably the hum of my computer tower fan. So let's get rid of this. So what you want to do is make sure you've hit stop and you want to select some of the noise because you're going to sample it and let Audacity know what you want to remove. Now you're going to go up to Effect, Noise Removal. And we've already selected a snippet, so we're just going to say Get Noise Profile. So we're going to tell Audacity this is what we want to remove from our audio. So now that we've done that, we can hit Control-A to select the entire soundbite. Now we can go back to Effect, Noise Removal. So you click OK, and then Audacity will remove that noise. And notice you see the line is more flat now. Now some of that you see there is my breath right before I speak. You don't want to remove all of that because it sounds more natural. You just want to remove any added noise like air conditionings, fans. Now, one thing I want to caution you about, be careful when you use the noise removal because if it's a loud noise or the noise is very closely matched to your voice, Audacity might remove some of the quality of your voice as well. So you don't want that. That's why it's better to try to remove as much noise before you record than to try to remove it afterward. But if it's a subtle noise, it should be easier to remove. So once you're finished cleaning up your audio, you can also do things like add bass to your voice. So you can select Control-A or Command-A if you're on a Mac and go up to Effect, Bass and Treble. And you can actually add bass or add treble or remove bass or remove treble from your voice like this. So you can play around with the different settings until you have an audio that you're happy with. You can also increase the volume or decrease the volume by doing a similar thing. You just Control A or Command A and then go up to Effect, Amplify. Now you have to be very careful with this because if you increase it too much, notice the OK button went away. What this means is if you do this, you may compromise quality. So if you go back down a little bit, the OK button will then come back. That's why it's really important to get your recording right the first time, because if you try to increase the volume too much after you record, again, you could lose quality. So proceed with caution. So once your recording sounds like you want it to, you're ready to export it as an MP3 file to upload to Powtoon. So you're going to save your project first by just going to File, Save As, and give it a name, or Save Project As. Then you're going to go up to File, Export, and you want to choose MP3. Now, the first time you do this, you will have to install something into Audacity. It's very easy. They'll walk you through it. You may have to download a file. That's perfectly normal. You only have to do that one time, and then you're done. So after you've downloaded the file, you just click Save, and then Audacity will turn it into an MP3 file, and it's going to be ready to upload to Powtoon. So in the next video, we're going to create a presentation from scratch, and it will include a voiceover. So I'll see you then.